Everyone, this is Milap, your English teacher. Today, we are going to do an activity. It's a joyful activity. It's a fun activity. You have to perform some actions. Okay. I'm going to perform few actions in front of you, and you have to do the same, exactly the same at your home. Please don't turn on your mic. Only turn on your video. Okay. So everyone, please turn on their video class. Video. Everyone, please turn on their video. Everyone here, please turn on their video. Don't turn on your audio. Only the video should be started. Only the video should be started. Only the video should be started. Everyone, okay. Okay, everyone stand up. Everyone stand up. Stand up, stand up. Yes, everyone stand up. You have to what the words and the words I will speak. You have to speak at home, okay, loudly, and perform the action. Whatever I am doing, you have to follow me. Okay, you have to just follow me. Okay, let's start. Stand up. Sit down. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Like do now. Do like this. Eating, eating, eating. Yes, come on, follow me.
Eating, eating, eating.
No, nobody will turn on their audio. Please, Saurabh Kataki, turn off your audio. Saurabh Kataki, please turn off your audio, beta. Jeet, turn off your audio. Eating, eating, eating. Eating, eating, eating. Clapping, clapping, clapping. Clapping, clapping, clapping. Clapping, clapping, clapping. Drinking, drinking, drinking. Say the words. The words I am saying. You have to say the words at your home. Okay. Whatever words I am saying, you have to speak those words at your home. I will ask later on. Drinking, drinking, drinking. Drinking, drinking, drinking. Clapping, clapping, clapping. Clapping, clapping, clapping. Walking, walking, walking. Walking, walking, walking. Walking, walking, walking. Running, running, running. Running, running, running. Running, running, running. Clapping, clapping, clapping. Singing, singing, singing. Singing, singing, singing. Singing, singing, singing. Singing, singing, singing. Dancing, dancing, dancing. Dancing, dancing, dancing. Dancing, dancing, dancing. Clapping, clapping, clapping. Clapping, clapping, clapping. Sleeping, sleeping, sleeping. Sleeping, sleeping, sleeping. Sleeping, sleeping, sleeping. Clapping, clapping, clapping. Clapping, clapping, clapping. Talking, talking, talking. Talking, talking, talking. Talking, talking, talking. Reading, reading, reading. Reading, reading, reading. Reading, reading, reading. Reading, reading, reading. Clapping, clapping, clapping. Clapping, clapping, clapping. Writing, writing, writing. Writing, writing, writing. Writing, writing, writing. Clapping, clapping, clapping. Flying, flying, flying. Flying, flying, flying. Flying, flying, flying. Swimming, swimming, swimming. Swimming, swimming, swimming. Swimming, swimming, swimming. Pushing, pushing, pushing. Pushing, pushing, pushing. Pushing, pushing, pushing. Pulling, pulling, pulling. Pulling, pulling, pulling. Pulling, pulling, pulling. Crying, crying, crying. Crying, crying, crying. Crying, crying, crying. Smiling, smiling, smiling. Smiling, smiling, smiling. Smiling, smiling, smiling. Clapping, clapping, clapping. Clapping, clapping, clapping. Jumping, jumping, jumping. Jumping, jumping, jumping. Jumping, jumping, jumping. Clapping, clapping, clapping. Okay, children, that's very nice. It's too much fun. Okay, I hope all you have enjoyed. Okay, beta, please turn off your video. Okay. Okay, I hope you all have enjoyed this activity. So now we will see some. Okay, so tell me. Okay, Rifa Tamanna.
Yes.
Yes, beta. Tell me, what do you think? What the activity just we have done? What do you think? What are those?
I enjoy it.
You enjoyed it? Yes, very nice. So tell me, what are those? Have you done some action?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. You have done some action. You have done some work. You walk, you jump, you sleep, you talk. Okay, you swim. So all these are
Talk.
act. Yes. Okay. Please turn off your audio. I will ask Jeet. Jeet,
Yes, sir.
tell me what do you think? What these words are? Means, have you done some action?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you have done action. We have done action of the words sleeping, eating, reading, writing. So all these you have done. Okay, nice. I will ask one more. Subham Basfor. Subham Basfor. Subham Basfor. Jitumani. Jitumani.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. Tell me. Did you enjoy the activity?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So have you done some action in this?
Yes, sir.
Have you done some action in this?
Yes, sir.
Now we will see some more. This, okay. So, okay. Kushal,
Yes,
Kushal,
sir.
Kushal. Yes, beta, tell me what is this in this picture? Tell me what is this in this picture?
Eating.
What, what's the what is she doing? What is she doing? Yes, come on,
Eating.
tell me. Very good. She is eating. She is eating. Okay, read the sentence, beta. Read the sentence.
The girls eating.
Yes.
Play.
Read the sentence, beta.
Breakfast. Breakfast.
Very good. The girl is eating her breakfast. The girl is eating her breakfast. Okay, eating. What is she doing? She is eating. Very good, Kushal. Next, Prince. Prince.
Yes, sir.
Prince.
Yes, sir.
Beta, tell me what is he doing? What is he doing?
He is. He is what? Drinking.
Arey wow, very good. Very nice. Drinking. This is drinking.
Drinking.
Drinking. Okay, tell me, beta, what has been written? Yes. Tell the sentence. Speak the sentence that is written. Read the sentence,
The
Prince.
dog. The boy is drinking water.
Very good. The boy is drinking water. What is he doing? He is drinking. What is he doing? He is drinking. Very good.
Yes,
Prince.
sir.
Turn off your audio, beta. Okay. Lucky Burman. Lucky Burman. Lucky Burman.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. Tell me what is she doing? What is
Walking.
she doing? Very good. Okay. Uh, Walking. Tell me. Read the sentence, beta.
The girl is walking.
Very good. The girl is walking. What is she doing? She is walking. What is she doing? She is walking. She is walking. Okay. Okay. Good, Lucky. Okay. Sikdar. Sikdar.
Yes, sir.
Sikdar. Yes, beta. Tell me what is he doing?
Learning.
Very good. Read This is running. This is running.
Running.
Yes. Read the
The
sentence,
boy
beta.
is running.
Yes. Read the sentence. The boy is running.
The
He is. Read the sentence, beta. Read.
the boy is running. If the bus.
Very. Very. Speak.
Very fast.
Yes. Good. Good, Siddhar. Okay. Next. Jitumani. Jitumani.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. Read the sentence. What is she doing? What
Singing.
is she? Speak the sentence. Make a sentence.
Singing,
What
sir.
is? Okay, beta. Read the sentence.
The girl is singing.
Read the sentence. Full sentence, beta. The
The
girl
girl
is.
is singing a song.
Yes. The girl is singing a song. What is the girl doing? The girl is singing a song. Very good. Please turn off your audio. Next. Jeet. Jeet.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. Tell me what is the girl doing?
The girl is dancing.
Very nice. This is dancing. This is dancing. This is dancing. The girl is dancing. Very good. Next. Take Afreen. Take Afreen.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Beta, tell me what is the child doing?
Night.
Night. Yes, good. At night, what we do? At night, what we do? We. Yes, come on. Tell me. What is he doing? He is. Afreen.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me, beta. What is he doing? वो क्या कर रहा है?
Race.
ये क्या कर रहा है बेटा? कैन यू सी द पिक्चर? आप पिक्चर देख सकते हो?
Yes.
यस. देन व्हाट इज ही डूइंग? एट नाइट. सो रहा है. यस, वेरी गुड. सो रहा को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? टेल मी इन इंग्लिश. आई एम डूइंग. ओके. नाइट में हम क्या करते हैं? इंग्लिश में सोने को क्या बोलते हैं? व्हाट डू यू से सोना इन इंग्लिश? स्लीपिंग बेटा. स्लीपिंग. स्लीपिंग. बोलो. टेल मी.
Sleeping.
स्लीपिंग. ओके. रीड द सेंटेंस बेटा.
The chick is sleeping.
Yes. The child is sleeping. Go again. Again, read the sentence. Yes, read the sentence, Afreen.
The child. The child is sleeping.
Very good. Sleeping. Sleeping. Okay, good, Afreen. Okay. Myra Hussain. Myra Hussain. Myra Hussain. Okay. Abdul. Abdul. Abdul
Yes,
Ayad.
sir.
Yes, beta.
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me what they are doing. What they are doing.
They are singing.
They are singing. Are they? Okay. तनुश्री, 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 Sakia? Yes, Tanushri, tell me beta what they are doing.
Talking.
Yes, very good. Tell me in sentence. What are they doing? They are,
Talking.
yes, they are talking. They are talking. They are yes. Full sentence पढ़ो बेटा. Read the full sentence.
They are talking.
They are talking. Good, Tanushri. Sakia, Sakia, Sakia.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. Tell me what the childs are doing. What are the childs doing?
Sir, reading.
Yes, the children are.
Sir, reading.
Tell me in sentence, beta. The children are.
The children are
What are they doing?
reading.
Yes, very good.
Reading.
Children
The
are.
children are reading books.
Very good. The children are reading books. The children are reading books.
Books.
Very good, Sakia. Now, Yasmin, 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 Yasmin. Rifa,
Yes, sir.
yes. Tell me what is he doing? What is the child doing?
Boys.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, the boy is writing.
Yes, the boy is writing. This is writing. Yes, read the sentence. Read the sentence.
The child is writing in his notebook.
Very good. The child is writing in his notebook. Subham Gare. Subham Gare. Subham Gare.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. Tell me what are the birds doing?
The birds are flying.
Very good. Where are they flying? Where do
The
birds fly?
sky.
Where do birds fly? Birds कहाँ उड़ते हैं?
The birds are flying in the sky.
Very nice. Birds are flying in the sky.
Birds are flying. The birds are flying in the sky.
Okay, very good, Subham Gari. Next. Okay. Subham Basfor.
Sir,
Subham Basfor.
Yes,
Subham
sir.
Bas. Tell me, beta, what is this child doing?
The boy is swimming.
Yes, very nice. The boy is swimming. The boy. Yes, read the sentence, beta. Yes, read the sentence, beta.
The boy is swimming in the water.
Very nice, very nice. Thank you, Subham Basfor.
Welcome, sir.
Come on, then what is he doing? This Mehtab? Mehtab.
Yes,
Mehtab?
sir.
Yes, tell me,
Yes,
beta,
sir.
what is this child doing?
The child doing. The child is pushing a car.
Yes, very good. The child is pushing.
Thank you, sir.
Pushing like this, huh? This is pushing. The child is pushing the car. The child is pushing the car.
The child is pushing the car.
Very nice. Please turn off your audio, beta. Okay. Dharmendra. Dharmendra. Yes, beta. Tell me what is the child doing? Tell me, beta, what is the child doing? Is. What is this action? We have done the activity.
सर क्या बोले थे आप?
Okay. सोचिए सोचिए. Think. Taslima. Taslima.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. Tell me what is the child doing?
The child is pulling a dabba.
Dabba. Yes. Okay, very
Dustbin.
nice. Dustbin. Trolley. Yes. Now read. This is pulling. Pulling. Pushing.
Pulling.
Yes. Read the sentence, beta. Read the sentence.
The
Hmm.
boy is
Yes.
pulling the trolley.
Trolley. Trolley. The boy is pulling the trolley. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. So these are whatever words we have read, we have seen, we have did the activity. Those words are called action words. Action words. Action words means which express some type of action. Some type of action. Jumping is an action. Okay. Eating is an action. Okay. Writing is an action. Reading is an action. They are called action words or doing words or doing words, ing words. Okay, these are ing words. We are adding an ing. We are adding an ing to all the action words and getting a new word. We are adding ing to each and every word. Okay, so the words which express some action or work is going on, those words are called action words or doing words. OING. Doing words. Okay? Doing words. Doing words. ING words. Whatever words we have seen till now, we are adding ING to it. We are simply adding ING to it. Okay? Now we will see. You will tell. Add ING. Add ING. Tell me, Rifa. Rifa.
Yes, sir.
Yes, read this talk plus ing. Read the sentence. Read the line. Read the line, Rifa.
Sir, talking.
Read the line, beta. Talk plus ing is
Talk plus ing. Talking.
talking. Good. Jitumani. Jitumani.
Yes.
Jitumani.
Yes, sir.
Read the line. Next line.
Walking plus ing. Walking.
Beta. Is
Walk.
this walk? Yes.
Walk
Walk.
plus ing. Walking.
Walk plus ing. Walking. I am adding two words to make a new word. I am ing. I add ing to a word. I am adding ing to a word and make a new word.
New word.
This is yes. मैं एक शब्द में ing ऐड कर रहा हूँ और एक नया वर्ड बना रहा हूँ. I am making a new word. Okay? Good.
Okay.
Okay, बेटा. शुभम गरई. शुभम गरई. शुभम गरई.
Yes, sir.
Yes, बेटा. Read the third line.
Sleeping. Sleep plus ing. Sleeping.
Sleep plus ing. Sleeping. I am adding ing to a word and I am making a new word. मैं ing को ऐड कर रहा हूँ एक नए शब्द में और एक नया शब्द बना रहा हूँ. Sleeping. Good, शुभम करी. कुशाल. कुशाल. कुशाल.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Read the fourth line, beta.
Read plus ing. Reading.
Reading. Very good. Read plus ing. Reading. Good. I am adding. Adding मतलब to add. Plus कर रहे हैं. To some. Add means plus कर रहे हैं. I am adding this ing word. I am adding this ing to a word, to an action word and making a new action word. Okay?
Okay.
Prince, Prince, Prince.
Yes, sir.
Yes, better read the last line.
Eat plus ing eating.
Eating. I am adding ing to an action word and making an new action word. Okay, good Prince. Thank you.
Yes.
So now it is assessment time. We'll do a small assessment. So I will ask, and you have to answer it. Okay. Same thing I will give you in the Google Classroom. You can see there. Okay. So who will read the sentence? Subham Baspoor. Subham Baspoor. Subham Baspoor. Zakia. Zakia.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Better read the sentence. Read this.
Add in to the words in the help box and fill in the blanks.
Very nice, Zakia. Add ing to the words. Add ing to the words in the help box. This is the help box. You can see that there is a box and there are few words
Talk,
written. Yes, read the words.
talk,
Hmm.
eating, sleep, flying,
Flying can,
wash.
beta, where it is written
Fly,
flying? Yes, it is written
fly, wash.
wash. Very good. So these are the words. These are the words in the box. And now some. Please turn off your audio, beta. Uh, this,
Okay.
these are the words in the box, and these are the action words. And you have to just add ing to the words and fill the blanks. Okay. Okay. Sikdar. Sikdar.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Beta, tell me what the children are doing. You have to choose you have to choose the fill the blanks from these words, among these words. Okay. What are they doing, beta?
Their children
They are
are eating their food.
this will be eating. Very nice. They are eating. The children are. I have given you only this word eat, and I have told you to add ing. I have told you to add ing. So I will just add ing to it. Okay, got it? I have given you this only the word, and you have to just add ing to it, making a new word that is eating. The children are eating their food. Very good. Okay, going to next. Lucky Burman. Lucky Burman.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. Tell me, what is the girl doing?
The girl is washing her face.
Very good. Here is the word wash. Here is the word. What is here? You have to just add ing to this word, making this a new word that is washing. Very good, Lucky. This is washing. I have just added ing. I have just added ing to this word. Okay. These all are action words. These all are action words. Washing. Some work is going. Some action is going. Okay. Washing. Next, you have to do. There is a box. There are words. Same words. You have to just fill up the word. This. Fill up the blanks. Kushal. Kushal.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. Tell me, what is the bird doing? What is the bird doing?
Flying. The bird is flying in
Flying,
the
very
sky.
in the sky. Here is the word fly. Fly is there. I have to just add ing to it. I have to just add ing. I will write fly and I will add ing. अब मैं ing जोड़ दूंगा, एक नया वर्ड बन जाएगा. And flying is which kind of word बेटा? Flying is a
Unna.
yes. Flying means उड़ना. Flying is an which word?
Action word.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. The bird is flying in the sky. Very good. Flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Okay, tell me, Kushal, what we are doing now?
Sleeping.
What? Arre, no, no. What we are doing now?
Now. Reading.
Yes, we are studying. We are reading. Okay, this is also an action word, isn't it? Very good, Kushal. Okay, turn off your mic, beta. Okay, next, I will ask Mohsin. Mohsin.
Yes, sir.
Mohsin. Yes, beta. Tell me, what is the child doing, beta? Mohsin.
The child is sleeping with her doll.
Very good. The child is sleeping with her doll. Sleeping. Sleeping. Some action is going on. So this will be, I will write just the word sleep is here in the box. I will write sleep and I will add ing to it. Okay. This is sleeping. Very good, Mohsin. The last one is, okay, who will tell? Who will tell? Okay. Babar. Babar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. Tell me, what is the child doing? What is the boy doing?
The boy is walking.
Yes, the boy is walking. The boy is walking. So I will write walk here and will add ing to it. And will add ing to it. Okay.
Walking.
Walk plus ing, walking. Okay. So it's the very good class. Okay, so everyone has enjoyed. Okay, so everybody please turn
Yes, sir.
please turn on your video. Please turn off your audio and start your video. We will do the activity again and finish this class. Okay, please turn on your video. Okay. So let's start. Whatever we have done, the activity we have done in the starting of this period in the class, we will do again. Come on. Clapping, clapping, clapping. Clapping, clapping, clapping. Eating, eating, eating. Eating, eating, eating. Drinking, drinking, drinking. Drinking, drinking, drinking. Clapping, clapping, clapping. Clapping, clapping, clapping. Reading, reading, reading. Reading, reading, reading. Writing, writing, writing. Writing, writing, writing. Clapping, clapping, clapping. Clapping, clapping, clapping. Jumping, jumping, jumping. Jumping, jumping, jumping. Walking, walking, walking. Walking, walking, walking. Running, running, running. Running, running, running. Clapping, clapping, clapping. Clapping, clapping, clapping. Flying, flying, flying. Flying, flying, flying. Singing, singing, singing. Singing, singing, singing. Dancing, dancing, dancing. Dancing, dancing, dancing. Crying, crying, crying. Crying, crying, crying. Smiling, smiling, smiling. Smiling, smiling, smiling. Children, please turn off your audio and video. Please turn off your audio and video. Please turn off your audio and video. Yes, sir.
Mr. Gulab Saab.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Hello. Good morning. Can you hear me? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So I saw the class, almost the whole class, and I enjoyed it. And the students are really participating very well. And I think the participation also is quite good. How many students we have total?
So now it is 42 students out of 46.
Out of 46, 42 are connected.
42 are connected here, sir. I have attendance, sir.
Okay.
I am taking attendance on Google Meet attendance sheet.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what about the rest?
Sir, actually some have, sir, no connectivity and the network is not also good, sir, because the rain is here.
Okay. But still most of the students are there and they are participating also well. So what is the normal picture? Normally most of the students come to the class?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have 37 to 38 students connected every day in my class.
I have a small request. In this case, your location of your camera, the light is behind you and your picture is not coming very clearly. So if you can rotate it, light facing on your pointing towards face, the picture will be very clear, I think. And
Yes,
your
sir.
actions will be very clearly visible. So
Yes,
please
sir.
make a note of that. And otherwise you are doing good. Please carry on.
Thank you very much,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you very much. Sir, you can, would you please like to say my children a few words, sir?
I have seen almost because just now we practiced, let them practice and saw the students. So I enjoyed it. It's okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Okay, children, you have done very well. टीचर ने प्रेस किया, आपने देखा, सर ने कहा, आप लोगों ने सुना कि सर ने बहुत अच्छा बातें की. He said very good things about you, that you all are participating. So please do the same thing. Read at home and do your best. And thank you very much, everyone, parents, students, everyone. Thanks for making my class so good. I am really grateful to you. So thank you, everyone. That's it for today's class. Keep enjoy, play.
Bye, sir. Bye,
Bye,
sir.
Bye, beta. Bye, bye.
Bye, sir.
everyone.
Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir. Bye,
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Bye, bye. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye, bye, bye. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Bye, sir.
Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye. Bye, 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 bye.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye, bye, sir.
Bye bye. Hi, Rizwana. Hi. Bye bye. सब कुछ है हमारे यहाँ। आना, तुम आती नहीं हो। सिर्फ बोलती हो कि आऊंगी आऊंगी और आती नहीं हो।